Namaskar, you all. So, what if life's best surprises came when you least expected them? That is serendipity, a beautiful accident. Serendipity means discovering something delightful purely by chance, कोई अप्रत्याशित खुशी का मिल जाना, like finding a perfect cafe on a rainy day or meeting an old friend at the airport. It's those moments that make life magical. Have you ever found money in an old jacket? Or bumped into someone who changed your day or your life? That's serendipity in action. Serendipity reminds us that life's best moments often come unplanned. So take a chance, explore the unknown, and let the magic find you. So did you enjoy this word tour? Share your serendipitous moments in the comments and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe Abode of Excellence for more such magical words. Bye bye. Thank you.